Hey everyone, Crafts with Crashly here. I have a Diamond Art Club sneak peek for you. Look at this cutie. I know, another kitty, but look how cute it is in the little high heel, and there's a pumpkin. It's so cute. Okay, so it is called After Midnight, and it is by Maryline Cazenave. I'm sorry if I'm saying that wrong, but I think that's right. It is 42.8 centimeters by 42.8 centimeters. It is a square drill. So we have our newly boxed with the sleeve. I cut the plastic on here. I just opened it from right here. I like to do that because I store them in my house, you know, and it just keeps them safe. So we have our thumbnail here at the bottom as well. Let's go ahead and get into it. I hope you guys are having a good day and are excited for this weekend's release. Okay, so inside here we have our toolkit. So this gives you everything that you have to have to complete the kit. Pen, wax, or it's the twist and pick pen. Okay, here we go. Get this out. Put that over there. Try not to make everything fall. Okay, so this is our sticker sheet here. Let's take a look and see what treasure quest card we got. Oh, here it is. Okay, so we have our treasure quest card, our symbol stickers, and our inside envelope here. So this is our tips and tricks, a picture diagram, how to complete the kit. You have your QR codes to the Facebook group. This is the treasure quest card. So these are another thing you can collect. There's different rarities. This particular one looks like it's a bronze. Yes, so if you flip it over, see where it says bronze right there? So if you collect so many of these in the different rarities, you can redeem them for things like gift cards or even a custom kit. This is our sticker sheet. This has a little thumbnail picture. If you open it up, we see the rest of our symbols here. So these are individual stickers you can use on your containers to kit up your diamond painting kit. There's our thumbnail picture. Super cute kitty. Oh, and it has a little tiara too. I love it. Okay, so this is 36 colors. So you can see it's labeled up to 36. We have our special drills at the end here. So it looks like we have one AB and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fairy dusts. So the DMC here, the code with the Z is the fairy dust, and the AB one has the AB in front of it. So very pretty. I like the purple background in this too. So we're gonna go ahead and jump right into it here. It is a smaller kit, so I think it would work up quite fast. So if you're a person that does like mainly, I don't know, round drill diamond paintings, this would be a nice one to kind of let loose and work on your square skills. Let me see if I can get this open. There we go. And not very gentle with the plastic part. Oh, and I folded it. Okay, we're good. All right, let's set this off over here. Here we go. So we're gonna open it this way. Oh, look how cute it is. And our little thing of drills here. Oh, this is so cute. So it has a little bit of wrinkles in it. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Oh, this is a partial, I see. So the background of this is not the drill field, just the, okay, I did not read that on the box. That was awesome. Yeah, because down here it says 42 by 42.8. Interesting. Okay, so I'm just lifting it up to kind of flatten it out here. You can see how shiny the background is. It's almost like suede. Yeah, there's no drill field on the background. There we go. Look how cute this kitty is. Oh my gosh. So there's quite a bit of confetti in the kitty, actually all around. But it's a partial, so it's not the kind of confetti that will, you know, drive you mad. You know. This is cute. I think this would be like a really cute one to like hang up in your house and stuff too. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and look at the drills and then see if we can find out where the fairy dust goes. Opening these up. All right. Separate my strands here. All right, let's take a look at these. All right, so zoom in here. Starting out, we have 3371, we have 402, 300, we have 451, 3861, 301 400. Oh, I'm getting tangled here. Then we have 3776 452 934 3857. Here's our first fairy dust, Z722. Beautiful orangey color. We have 922. Another fairy dust. It's like a really dark green. Look how that shimmers though. That's pretty. So that's Z935. Then we have 950, 938, 792, 920, 819, 918, and our other strand here. Okay. Oh, I'm going the wrong way. Here we go. All right, we have 3722, 469. Oh, they're there. We have 3860, 3064, 779, 844, 815, 791, 936, and another fairy dust, Z3072, 407, and here's our AB 453. That's a really pretty, like, cream color. Another fairy dust, Z3865. It's like an off-white color. Very pretty. Another fairy dust, Z3856. Another kind of like creamy yellow tannish color. 645 and 838. All right, we get these put away, and we're gonna try to see where the fairy dust will be going on this partial. I will be right back. All right, so looking through the special drills here, they are quite sprinkled throughout the canvas here. So like for instance, our white fairy dust is all throughout. It is the solid dot all throughout the kitty parts here. There's the little kitty nose. And then the cream yellow looking color is this, I call it the thermometer, is at the undertone of the shoe. The rest are just really sprinkled throughout. Like the orange one is the undertones here of the pumpkin. The AB is our X symbol. So a lot of like the off-white ones are sprinkled throughout the tiara and throughout the shoe, which is also where our AB is. So AB is the X symbol, and here's like the bottom of the shoe. You just kind of see it. You see it just sprinkled throughout here. Yeah, all throughout the tops. And then, yep, we have some ABs in the tiara. So yeah, just kind of all over. This is a really cute kit. Like I said, I think it's going to work up quite quickly, and it's just another adorable piece that you could hang up in your living room. It's a nice partial square drill. So I love it. This will be releasing on Saturday, so keep an eye out for that. If you're brand new here, hit the subscribe button and hit the thumbs up on your way out. So until next time, everyone, bye-bye.